Oh boy. Okay, see, that's intense. Oh yeah, I'm just standing on the edge. Golly gee, willikers. Oh, mama. Mama! Okay, nerves of sea foam or something like that. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, that is, it's so scary, you know what I'm saying? See, I was just standing over there. Oh! Okay, it's dry rocks. I'm just panicking. I'm getting a little misty. Oh, oh, whoa. Okay. I have to put this online, huh? This is quite intense. Very intense. I think I've got the angle pretty good. So just imagine that. Okay. Oh, I wonder if that happened in an earlier video. Oh, looky here. Got left again. It's getting pretty sunny out there. It's the mythical locations over there.